Egrets, graceful and elegant wading birds belonging to the heron family, are known for their long legs, slender necks, and distinctive plumage. They inhabit wetlands, marshes, riversides, and coastal areas worldwide, where they wade through shallow waters in search of fish, amphibians, crustaceans, and insects. Using their sharp bills to spear prey with precision, egrets are characterized by their snowy white plumage, although some species exhibit color variations during breeding seasons, such as the bright yellow bill and black legs of the great egret. These birds are highly skilled hunters, employing patient stalking and sudden strikes to capture their prey. Egrets also exhibit complex breeding behaviors, forming colonies known as rookeries where they build platform nests in tall trees or shrubs, often in close proximity to other water birds like herons and ibises. Conservation efforts are crucial for protecting egret populations, as they face threats from habitat loss due to urbanization, pollution, and disturbance of nesting sites. Their beauty and ecological importance as indicators of wetland health underscore the need for sustainable management practices and habitat restoration initiatives. Egrets, members of the heron family, are distinguished by their slender bodies, long necks, and characteristic breeding plumage that often includes ornate plumes during the mating season. They are adept predators, employing a variety of hunting techniques such as standing motionless in shallow water or walking slowly to stalk their prey. Egrets primarily feed on small fish, frogs, insects, and crustaceans, using their long, dagger-like bills to spear and capture their meals with precision. These birds are found on every continent except Antarctica, inhabiting a range of freshwater and saltwater habitats, from coastal marshes and estuaries to inland lakes and rivers. During breeding season, egrets exhibit elaborate courtship displays, including aerial acrobatics and mutual preening, to strengthen pair bonds and establish territories within their colonies. Despite their adaptability and widespread distribution, egrets face threats from habitat loss due to urban development, wetland drainage, and pollution, which disrupts their foraging and nesting grounds. Conservation efforts focused on protecting and restoring wetland ecosystems, implementing sustainable land use practices, and minimizing human.
Egrets are not only renowned for their hunting prowess and graceful appearance, but also hold cultural and ecological significance across many societies. In various cultures, these birds symbolize purity, wisdom, and patience, often depicted in folklore, art, and literature as symbols of elegance and grace. Ecologically, egrets play crucial roles in their ecosystems by controlling populations of aquatic organisms such as fish and insects, thereby helping to maintain the balance of wetland food webs. Their nesting colonies, or rookeries, serve as indicators of wetland health, reflecting the availability of suitable habitat and water quality conditions. Egrets are also important subjects for scientific research, providing insights into topics such as avian behavior, habitat ecology, and the impacts of environmental change on wildlife populations. Conservation efforts aimed at protecting egret habitats are vital, involving the preservation of wetlands, establishment of protected areas, and promotion of sustainable fisheries and agricultural practices that minimize habitat degradation and pollution. Egrets, with their striking appearance and important ecological roles, are also subjects of conservation concern due to various threats they face in their habitats. Urbanization and agricultural expansion continue to encroach upon wetlands, reducing available feeding and nesting sites for egrets. Pollution, including runoff from agricultural chemicals and industrial waste, poses risks to water quality, affecting both egret prey and directly impacting bird health. Climate change further exacerbates these challenges by altering habitat suitability and food availability. Conservation efforts must address these issues through habitat restoration, establishment of protected areas, and advocacy for sustainable land use practices. Public awareness